They say that you should be fucking insane to crash spray paint cans in a hydraulic press. So hello, Mr. Insane here. For now, let's crash! Let's create some art. Oh, that was crazy. Let's create some art. Let's do some painting art. Let's do some painting art. Look at all this mess, guys. I've got to clean everything. And this painting will be at eBay. Link will be at the description. But I've got to clean everything. Fuck. So guys, this awesome paintwork will be at eBay. Link will be at the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up. This was crazy. I have to clean a lot. Until next time. До свидания.